Okay, so this is after the aftermath. We've gone through the house, had them remove all the wallboard, all the paneling. See, it actually looks almost normal right there. And then you get back over to the walls and you notice there aren't any. So we'll make a quick pass through the house. Whoops, back out. Here's our bathroom. Now that's the height of privacy. Here's our office. You'll notice the mold growing here. That's got to come out. And the stairwell where the water was. And my daughter, who looks the same as before the flood. And the dining room. And of course the kitchen. You'll notice the conspicuous lack of an island in here. And the pantry, which is now stylishly part of the stairwell and living room. So anyway, this is our house, at least for a while longer. Now, next we'll look at the rest of the neighborhood.